Building an inclusive community is like embarking on a journey. It requires a lot of steps and decisions. Your role as a facilitator is to create space for everyone's unique identity to be seen and to simultaneously embrace diversity in the community, to welcome people of all ages, social and economic backgrounds, ethnicities, religions, genders, and abilities. To look at the needs and potential the community has to give, to provide the incentive to foster unity in community. As the name implies, our project seeks to achieve unity in community. In other words, to foster active citizenship and empower people to shape their communities in a sustainable and inclusive way. How can we achieve this? One way is to encourage neighborhood projects that relate to the community's social and ecological challenges. This is what we have been doing at Unity in Community. Based on our research and experience, we have created a methodology to enable community projects step by step. Step 1. Create common ground. It is important first to identify a group of people within your neighborhood interested in bringing change to their local community. Organize a kickoff meeting for people to get to know each other. A great method for doing this is the introduction mandala. Everybody presents themselves by replying to questions with Post-its, placing them afterward on the group mandala. A group agreement can be very useful in enabling strong common ground to be reached. How does the group want to work together? What helps each and everyone to feel comfortable? Create a group agreement for everybody to sign. This kickoff meeting is crucial as it creates the foundation for building the project. Step 2. Dig in, from the SDGs to active citizenship. What socio-ecological challenges is the community facing? Which potentials are there? How are these related to sustainable development goals? A great way to get an answer to these questions is to create a community mind map. Write the word community at the center of a huge piece of paper and have everyone add words. If there are connections between the words, draw lines and voila, you have a mind map. Another great method is community mapping. Create a visual image of your neighborhood and community, identifying challenges and opportunities, decision-making, and possible allies. This map will help the group analyze the neighborhood, and areas where community projects are needed might become visible. Step 3. Get ready for the community project. Having established common ground and learned about the neighborhood and its needs, it is time to embark on the project itself. What does the community need? Which change do I want to see in the community? Brainstorm. Look for project ideas and select one of them. Now you are ready to plan the project. The following questions might help you. What project do you want to do? Why do you want to do it? Who is your target group? Where are you going to do it? When is it going to happen? How are you doing it? What materials do you need? What is the budget? The answers will help you prepare a detailed plan, set out the project framework, and take all the steps you need. Of course, you should not forget to involve all the important stakeholders in the plan. Step 4. The process. With everything already on paper, now is the time to start implementing the project. At this stage, organization and logistics are essential. But remember that group dynamics are also of utter importance, which is why you have to pay attention to communication and relationships. You may introduce process-task relationship as the model that can serve as a reminder throughout the process to balance all three elements. Encourage others to ask questions. This avoids conflict. Every member of the group should feel comfortable and not be afraid at any time to ask anything. We encourage you to start and end every meeting with a check-in and check-out method, like drawing a smiley. Ask the participants to draw a smiley on a Post-it to describe the day. Step 5. Finish and evaluate the project. Proper completion of the project is as important as starting out. Set aside enough time to evaluate it, either individually or as a community, so you can tell exactly whether you have succeeded and how. Anonymous feedback, for example, can be a great tool for evaluating the project and gauge the satisfaction of the project group. And finally, and most important of all, it is time to celebrate your unity in community. This methodology has been tested by us in 4 pilot projects. Create unity community projects that bring together a diverse group of people. Motivate them to develop and participate in joint community social, economic, and environmental activities. Would you like to start your own unity in community? You will find all our advice and the details in our handbook here.